Today's vlog is sponsored by absolutely no one, because I'm a Yeti.
Why do humans wear jackets? I am the jacket.
Yo, what's up, snowflakes? It's ya boy, Frosty with the Mosty, back at it again with another episode of Yeti in the Wild.
Today's weather, a mild -40. Perfect tanning weather. I put on sunscreen, but it froze before it hit my face.
You can create videos just like these using VEO3 in just a few simple prompts. If you don't have access to VEO3 yet, first watch the video link below to learn how to get it for free. Once you have it, come back and continue watching. In this tutorial, we'll create short, one-liner funny videos, and we'll also create longer, funny vlogging-style videos. If you want to start earning money right away using these videos, I highly recommend getting a pre-monetized YouTube channel. That way, you won't need to complete 4,000 watch hours to start earning. The link to my store is in the description. Now let's move to the first step, generating prompts. Open ChatGPT and ask it to give you some funny one-liner jokes for a vlogging video. You'll get a list of funny ideas. If you don't like the first batch, click Regenerate. You can also give more context, for example, say that it's for a Yeti vlogging that usually gives even better results. Once you find a line you like, copy it. Then ask ChatGPT. Give me a detailed prompt of a Yeti vlogging for this line, paste the line here. I'll use VEO3 to generate the video, which will also include audio, so give me a detailed prompt in paragraph format that includes everything. That's it, you'll get the perfect prompt ready to use. Next, go to Flow and create a new project. Paste the prompt. In the settings, choose VEO3 Fast. You can also use VEO3 Quality if you want better detail, but it will cost 100 credits instead of 20, and honestly, the results are almost the same. Hit Generate.
Today's vlog is sponsored by absolutely no one, because I'm a Yeti.
Now try it again with a different joke.
Why do humans wear jackets? I am the jacket.
Let's now create a long vlog. Ask ChatGPT to give you a funny long vlog script. You can mention the duration, like 30 or 60 seconds, and make sure you tell it the Yeti is vlogging. After you get the script, ask ChatGPT to give you a detailed prompt for each scene. Say something like, I'll use VEO3 to generate the video, which will include audio. So give me a detailed, paragraph-style prompt for each scene. Now you'll have the full set of prompts for your vlog scenes. Copy the first prompt, open Flow, and create a new project. Paste the prompt. Use the VEO3 Fast model.
Yo, what's up, snowflakes? It's ya boy, Frosty with the Mosty, back at it again with another episode of Yeti in the Wild. And yo, what's up, snowflakes? It's ya.
Repeat this process for all scenes. Once done,
Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that icicle.
download each video using the upscale 1080p option. This part is free, but note that the download won't start automatically, so you'll need to click to download. Finally, we need to combine the scenes. For that, I'm using CapCut. Import all the videos. Click Sort, then select Time Created. This will arrange them in the correct order. Add all the clips to the timeline. Insert some transitions. And your full vlog video is ready.
Yo, what's up, snowflakes? It's ya boy, Frosty with the Mosty, back at it again with another episode of Yeti in the Wild.
Today's weather, a mild -40. Perfect tanning weather. I put on sunscreen, but it froze before it hit my face.
Humans wear 6 layers out here. Me? I am the layers. Patagonia could never.
They think I'm a cryptid. I'm just trying to find Wi-Fi to upload my smoothie review. I call this one Frozen Forest Delight. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that icicle. I mean bell. New videos every time a human screams and runs.